Hi, in the last lessons we created area charts and different other charts. In this lesson we are going to learn how we can create metric sliders and can make best use of it. So let us come back to our studio. I have created two tables, okay, and I have also duplicated these two tables. One is that the dimension is subcategory. We can see. Let us select the so dimensions I have taken as subcategory and I have taken the metric as profit. So the same case I have also that I have done. This is metric and subcategory I have taken as dimensions. Okay. So I have added a control. I have created simple these tables by that adding a chart, and here first table I have selected, and under dimensions I have taken as subcategory, and as metric profit I have taken because these are the numeric fields. So I have simply created one and copied and pasted here, and that is just the duplicacy I did. Then what I did, I added a control here. Added a control here, sliders. So these sliders appear here, and in metric I choose as profit. Okay. So let us see how this slider works for both the tables. Okay. So let us view our reports. So if I that control this profit sliders, let us see what are the changes taking place to the tables. That means according to the selection, see this number of rows has been reduced. So suppose take for example we want to see up to this. Okay, so these like greater than that these are the things that according to the sliders these are all filtered. Okay, similarly we can also reverse sides also we can see. Okay, so profit we are checking the profit, how much profit we are getting, this much we are getting. Okay, according to the selections we are getting things filtered. Suppose take for example, let us come back to the edit view. Suppose we want the slider to not to be applicable to both the tables. Suppose one table we want to see. So what we need to see, we have to select the tables that where we want to make the slider to be applicable. Accordingly we can. So let us see. Under metric we have also we can enable this metric sliders. This is profit, then we can enable this. So let us see. So here one it is metric sliders has been that added options, that one sign has been added to it. We can click on here, so we can see. Okay, we can control this accordingly. So 43,000 is the maximum, and minimum is 23,000. Accordingly we can make the selections. Take for example, we will see this is the range that we want to see. Okay. Suppose take for example we want to see the range from 9,000 to 43,000. This will appear, it is appearing, and accordingly whatever data that we want to see, that accordingly we can filter. Okay, so this will appear. Okay, so basically these metric sliders are controllable for specific visuals instead of entire page. Okay, so when we want to see that metric slider to be applicable for a particular visual, we can use this features that is there in Google Data Studio. So that's for the lesson. Thank you very much.